Ready? What's up, muscle car people? This is Bringing Muscle Cars, and I'm Matt. We got Jared over there. We got Kyle over there, who's blushing because he's a little nervous. I like that. All right, so we got a big boy Supercharger now, Kenne Bell 4.2, which means we can't use the factory hood anymore. So we got a new hood.
Nothing. I made an inside joke to him. Just finish your video.
So I bought a Speedform 3-inch cowl hood. It was the biggest one I could find. That wasn't crazy expensive.
Why did you wrap the bottom of the hood? Okay.
It's the back of the hood.
No one's okay. No one sees that.
I see it sitting there. Jeez, it's so difficult all the time. I already wrapped that part. We haven't unwrapped it. It's a Speedform 3-inch cowl hood, fiberglass from American Muscle. I don't really like to order from them. Nothing against them, but the box came and it was completely destroyed, but the hood was packed really nice, so it should be good. Let's unwrap it and see how it looks. Here you go, bud.
Sweet.
Those pants are so tight.
Woo! You mind? That's a customer car over there.
Doesn't look over there.
It's dirty, like there's handprints and I didn't even touch it yet.
Well, yeah.
What is, oh, that's
The hood prop.
No, the windshield washer.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Alright. So, the top looks pretty good. I think we're just gonna wrap it.
It's bolted already.
Yeah. I don't think.
We're gonna wrap it off the car or on the car?
No, on the car. It's much easier to do on the car. There's a little nick here that probably a body shop would fix, but for us.
Is this used or new?
No, brand new.
This is brand new.
Brand new.
It looks pretty rough for the state back.
Dude, this is brand new?
Yeah, that's how hoods are, man. It's a 5 car.
Come stand.
Oh, wrecked hood isn't even as bad as that.
Yeah, that's how they come, man. And it also is from shipping.
Like it's
That's for the
dirty.
fucking. Yeah.
It's
I was like,
dirty everywhere.
I was standing back and I'm like,
Box
the
is
back's
broken.
fucked.
I told you that.
Who's smoking out? Oh, that's you.
Yeah.
Just like
Outside with that crap. All right, so
Yeah, you set off the
Let's-
sprinklers.
let's flip this over. Oh, did you take the board off already?
You said
Yeah,
unbox
what
it.
do you do?
How did you
Standing
unbolt it?
around.
I used. What did you use?
Come on, man. It's a family-friendly channel. We can't say that.
That's not a sport. I literally just unthreaded mine. They just came off.
I don't think those are the right ones.
If they thread into the hood, they're the right ones.
What size is it?
I don't know. Looks like 15, 13 or 15. It might be too long though because they had to
That's
get.
what I just said. Here.
Yeah, they'll be too long. I can get it out. Okay, back off.
Why did you put that on the car?
That's what I was like.
Yeah, I understand. Okay, Jared, you're doing the bolting. All right, we're gonna install the hood now.
Yeah, sure. So Kyle, you're saying this is yours?
What's this shirt say? Is it for Tip Top? It says company. Kyle, small business owner.
Oh, good. You can put his link in the description.
Whoa, Kyle! What my crap?
So glad he's here. I'm so glad he's here. He can't even be mad.
Well, you know, I knew I had to lift it up. I didn't know you weren't fucking. Matt, can you like help? You just got it chilling here.
I'm holding.
I don't think it's gonna fit here. Could be wrong, but should have gave me a 10 mil too. You got the hood?
Yeah.
Lowered it.
Just let him do it. It'll only take a minute.
Do what? Matt, you gotta pull it over here more. I'm holding it. You put it where you want it.
You need to pull the hood this way. You're not even.
Try that.
Oh, it might fit.
Or
You got the thing on.
Make sure it's.
Hey, you got the.
Yes, it's recording. Shut up.
Yeah, that's because it's gonna fit. Oh my gosh, I did not think it was gonna fit.
Wait.
Just get the scissors.
You hold it. I'll film Kyle's struggle. Rip the paint right off.
Come on, dude. Wow, look at that. You left glue marks all over it.
You are a cranky one today.
You are a pansy.
You're just messing with him. He won't even know.
What are you supposed to? No, it's fine now.
But this isn't gonna work.
I know.
Well, we just get hood pins from eBay.
No, this is adjustable.
Is it out too far?
It's in too far.
Go get a.
Oh, it's out too far. I mean, yeah, you're right.
Go get
Probably a
a.
12.
Oh, I can't touch Matt's tools. He'll get all pissy.
No, it's because you don't put them back. Fuck!
Now I have to beep that out.
Why?
You can't swear on YouTube.
Swear.
I thought you said the F word.
No. Oh, why are you?
You should have yelled Kobe.
Or not. That's a 13, maybe.
Wow, Kyle, I thought you were somebody.
Come on, man. Here.
Why don't we just put the hood prop in instead of just holding it like idiots?
Yeah, that would make total sense, man.
Woohoo! Look at that. It stays in everything. If you tell me it's 14, you dumb fuck. Oh, I swore. Sorry. Sorry. Come on, you're secretly having fun.
2 13s and
Because soon you're not going to have
15's in the drawer.
It's just gonna be bros.
things on it.
Well, yeah, it's got lock washers, so.
You're gonna take the whole thing off.
Really?
You think?
Because you gotta tighten it from the back.
There is nothing on the back.
No, but is it threaded? Is there any more I thought it was just loose.
There's plenty up there. There's like that much.
But you have to take it off so you can.
It's got to come out, not in.
Right. So that's a smaller one. That's probably.
It's a 10.
I don't understand how you do
Nah, it's a 10. I can.
I didn't know you still had it there. That's why I don't let him use my tools, because he still had it in the pocket.
Shut
and
up!
it's gonna bring
I had it in my hand.
It's very warm too.
What is it?
It was in my hand, like.
You know what was in his hand earlier?
I don't want to know.
Soda. It was my left hand, so it wasn't my.
No. Okay, I see what you mean. Move your freaking hand.
You gotta hold it, man. It's
I will hold it, but
Kyle, what are your qualifications to work on the race car again?
Yeah.
I work on all my own stuff, so I think that's qualification.
No. What YouTube channels do you watch?
I don't know. Whatever the.
No. Kyle watched TikTok.
Shut up! Shut up!
Pod eater over here, man.
No.
Oh man, how old are you? 22?
I'm gonna be 22.
Holy crap, Matt! I was joking.
About how old he was?
A freaking baby over here.
I know.
I know I'm a baby. Oh, they spin.
Yeah, they said they are threaded. So you're gonna have to guess.
No,
almost.
you're going the wrong way.
No, it's got to go out. I'm telling you, it's got to go out.
You said it was too far out.
So it's got to go back up into the hood more.
No, it does not.
You think the other way?
Yes, it's the other way.
So you don't watch any YouTube channels?
I watch whatever the diesel channel when I work on my own crap.
I don't think he's qualified, Matt.
Whatever.
I don't think so either.
You know what?
I'm just saying. You at least got to watch like
I'm not.
what's it? Adam
How much
Hunt?
you want to bet? How much you want to bet? I'll bet you $50 right now.
Matt
I'll
can't.
bet you
Well, no,
$50.
Matt can't afford it. He made a sale.
I haven't gotten paid yet.
Oh yeah, Kyle. Good job.
No, it's
So-
gotta go the other way.
The
he
moral
said.
of the story
Pretty
is,
sure.
ladies.
Hey, don't sit on my fiberglass hood.
Whatever.
I
The moral
just
of the
got
story
that
is
thing.
Matt doesn't actually know how to work on cars.
Your face.
So Kyle got the hood on. Well, he fixed the latch. So I think I'm still gonna buy some hood pins for those 170 mile per hour passes that are coming.
Why would you?
What?
What's the point of fixing the latch if you're just gonna buy hood pins?
Well, I don't want the hood to come up when
Exactly.
going 165.
Oh.
We still need it right. So overall, I'm pretty happy with the hood. Let's see what it looks like from the driver's seat. Ugh. Okay, from back here in the driver's seat, this is my new view. It's quite a bit different. Good thing I'm tall. Alright guys, so we got the hood on. It really didn't take very long. I'm pretty happy with the way it looks. Unlike these guys who've never bought a hood, they're not always going to be perfect. But overall, it's pretty good. So I don't think we're going to have any trouble wrapping it. So hit that like button. What?
Looks better white.
No, it does not.
Right. We're going to wrap it this week. Stay tuned for the video next week of us wrapping it. Hit that like button if you like this video. Hit that subscribe button. And you know what we like to do? We like to smash that notification bell. And if you like us and you got a fast car, you better bring it. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. I'm going to link a couple more videos that if you like this one and you made it all the way to the end, you're going to definitely like these. So watch them. Also, that middle button right there, I think is probably, somewhere in there. Hit that button to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more action.